What you doing, Ev? Those pigs? Is that a wolf? Shake it. Does he go in the house? Why are you standing on that chair? Why are you standing on the chair, bud? I don't want you to fall. I want you to come down. Will you get down?
No.
How come? Do you like it up there?
Floor.
That's the floor. What's that?
A dog.
Do you want to come have some lunch? Say 1, 2. Which one has green? Do you like it? Yeah.